going on, everybody who's watching this? Anyway, I just can't sing, you guys. This was me 1 week ago, and this is me right now. You guys, can you see any difference? Hoping you can see a difference. Man, 1 week ago I had so many rashes. Like, not just 1 week ago, I used to have so many rashes, but now I've cleared my skin. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I did, how I used aloe vera to clear my face in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. This is how the aloe vera looked like, or rather looks like. The first thing you should do, wash your aloe vera thoroughly in water, because you know you don't want any dirt on the aloe vera, because it's going to your face and you're trying to get rid of pimples, acne and everything. So cleanliness is the first thing you need to maintain. Mine is clean now. After that, I used to cut the aloe vera into pieces, but for me, I love chopping this stem off because I don't think that's useful. And then I chopped the aloe vera into pieces, small pieces. Then you peel the green part off, because you only need the white part. The white part is the juicy part, and that's the thing that we need right now. So once you're done, this is how it looks. As you can see, it's so juicy, very juicy, because it's fresh. Mine is so fresh. So you're just going to squeeze the juice off until you get enough of it. Make sure to wash your chopping board and your knife thoroughly with soap, because it's so bitter. If you've ever tried tasting it, you know it's so bitter. And that's the much juice that I've extracted, guys. It's enough for the face. Okay, now you can use a wipe like I'm using, or a cotton. I don't know why I didn't use a cotton. Make sure you use a neutral wipe, okay? Because we don't want to contaminate anything. So I just started by tying my hair, because you know you don't want it to be all over the place. This is how my face was looking on the first day, and it had so many rashes, as you can see. So I just wanted to see whether they can reduce, you know. So I applied the aloe vera, and ooh, the smell is terrible. Don't try to smell it, man. It smells terrible, but you know, we're not here to smell things. We're here to change looks. And so I used it. I applied evenly on the skin, because you know I didn't want to leave any part not covered. Also, make sure it doesn't touch your lips, because the aloe is so bitter. Avoid touching the eyes too. So you have to avoid two places, the eyes and the lips. Those are two very sensitive places that you don't want to contaminate and everything, okay? So that is day 1. Of course, I was feeling itchy on the face, you guys. The second day was still crazy, because I was feeling like my face was itchy. At the same time, I was not seeing any changes. As you can see, rashes are still persisting, the pimples, spots. I was still not happy on the second day, and it was itchy, man. Day 3 was good. The itchiness had reduced, but then there were pimples, spots, rashes, but I think they were reducing somehow, although I wasn't seeing any changes. And I was still feeling itchy. The 4th day, I thought that the method I used to prepare the aloe vera was a waste of time. You know, kuzoea, like I got used to this. So I decided I should make my work easier. So I took the aloe vera. This time, instead of squeezing the juice, I just cut the aloe vera into 2. As you can see, like this is what I did, and I think this is the easiest. If you guys want to make your work easier, just cut it this way instead of squeezing. You just have 2 pieces. I just rubbed them on the face, massaging my face in circular motions, you know. So that is what I did for day 4, day 5, and day 6, and I'm telling you that was much easier and safer because the aloe is not contaminated. So I would advise you guys to just use this method. Hello guys, it's day 5. Can you see any changes? Because I cannot see any changes so far. Like, I'm not going to lie, I can't, you guys. But anyway, 2 more days. Let's keep doing this. I just hope I'll see some positive changes, because so far, so bad. So today is day 7, and I've already shown you how I look. I think my skin is glowing. It's popping, and I don't know whether when I stop applying it, because I was to apply it for only 7 days. I'm not sure whether once I stop the rashes will come back, but I'll be updating you guys, so stick around so that you can see. But so far so good. I think actually it works, although it's restricted to some people. Like, if you know your skin is too sensitive, I wouldn't advise you to try so many things, although sometimes it's good to try many things so that you can know what works for you. And then if the itchiness persists, I wouldn't advise you to do it, because mine stopped within 3 days or something. So if the itchiness persists, then this is not for you. So that's it. When I saw people doing this challenge, I thought that it might not work on me, because I couldn't believe you can apply such a thing on your face and see the difference. But right now I can testify that it has worked for me. I have shown you my journey, you guys, so you are the witnesses here. And I'm hoping my skin remains that way, because I can't imagine getting those rashes back. Anyway, I hope I inspired somebody out here to try the challenge. If you try the challenge, or if you've ever tried it, comment down below, share with us your experiences, and you guys tell me which other challenges you'd like to see me trying. Also, you can get aloe vera at any supermarket. I think for me, I got it at our own shamba, like. But if you don't have a farm, I think aloe vera is so cheap. I see people selling them in the streets, at the marketplaces, but you can also get it at the supermarkets, just in case you don't see them in the streets. So you guys, take the challenge, try it, and comment, tell us what your results were. I'll also be updating you on my skin journey, my skincare journey, so stick around, like this video so that you can see more of my videos. Also subscribe and stick to this channel for more updates.